Hello, my name is Lana Čmajčanin, and when I received the invitation to take the part in the EVROVISION project, I was really glad for several reasons. I have had the privilege of knowing and collaborating with the curators of the project, Sabine and Sanja, already in the past, and this experience familiarized me with their work, methods, and curatorial practice. With this in mind, I knew this project will be forward-looking, wisely and precisely conceptualized, and ultimately well executed. Already during our very first meeting in Berlin, it became clear to me that one of the most important components for meaningful and professional collaboration will be very much present, and that was proven at the beginning of the project due to the unfortunate times of the corona crisis, when the curatorial and the project team has expressed genuine care for us involved in the project, as well as enormous understanding for our personal and artistic processes. When I learned more about the concept of the project and its pivotal aspects, my interest in participation has increased even more, because the project tackles and discusses very important issues, which are also the focus of my artistic practice. Therefore, it seemed like a perfect match to me, and I was really glad to accept the invitation for participation and to hop on board. The EVROVISION project sublimates important issues which are generally occupying me and which I do explore throughout my artistic practice. I found close to the theme and the concept of the EVROVISION project many previous works of mine, particularly works which are deeply rooted in a survey of critical cartography, geopolitics, the notion of nationalism and its impacts on a society, as well as the representation of otherness. To name one of my projects, the Blank Maps project is a comprehensive one, and I started with a few years ago. The Blank Maps project, comprising 10 works realized in different media, such as installation, objects, video animations, drawings, collages, engravings in a glass, and so on. In my understanding, the EVROVISION project is also focusing on some of the key aspects, as I did throughout the Blank Map project, and it is because, among the other, question visibility and shed the light on power relation between the so-called center and the periphery, or in other words, between the Occident and Levant. These days I'm mostly preoccupied with the research needed for the further development of the work I'm planning to present within the EVROVISION project. This first phase of the research includes reading, collecting, and digging throughout, due to the situation, pretty much only accessible archives and cartographic collections, the digital ones. And besides of that, I'm also working on a project called Once We Were Brothers. This project deals with the non-aligned movement, its heritage, particularly in a post-Yugoslav space, or in a broader sense, the project deals with the non-aligned geographies. Project also questions the meaning of one of the imperatives of the movement, solidarity, and what does it mean to us nowadays. Besides, I'm working on a collaborative project with a colleague artist, Alban Muja. The project is called Intermezzo. It is a multi-layered project based on a critical analysis of the national symbols. The project addresses and examines the relationship between the national symbols and the societies from which they emerge.